How to fix caption issues on Crunchyroll. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Crunchyroll app. After you are in the app, make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, if you are having any caption related issues on Crunchyroll, in order to fix that, you can go to your account settings first. Here in this home screen, at the bottom right corner, you can see the account option. Tap on it. It will take you to your account page. And over here, you can see this option of show closed caption. And right beside that, you can see the toggle icon. Make sure it is enabled. And most importantly, you need to select what language you want in the caption. So right above that, you can see the subtitles section. And currently it is selected to English. If you tap on it, you'll see a list of languages that you can choose from. So you can select your preferred language over here. And in the bottom, you can see this none option. Make sure that this none option is not selected. Otherwise, you will not be seeing any kind of caption. Beside that, you can select any language of your preference. So that's it. That's how you can easily fix the caption issues on Crunchyroll app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.